Hi, good afternoon, all. Okay, welcome to the SAP AMM scenario. This is the one live scenario I'm going to explain in this demo session. It's related to the SAP Material Master concept. Under Material Master concept, one small concept with the configuration, testing, and what exactly the end user activity. Like three types of roles I'm going to explain in this concept. In this concept. Okay, first, let me discuss with concept name. Okay, concept name. First, what the concept name is material types, material types under material master data and MM. In the material type, there are so many material types we have. Okay, we have raw materials. We can denote by ROH. We can denote by ROH. Semi finished goods. We can denote by HALB. Finished goods. We can denote by FERT. Like that, there are different types of material types under pipeline. PIPE. Okay, like this, we have okay, like pipeline materials. Okay, services. DIEN. Services. DIEN. Packing materials. Packing materials. LEIH. If you observe these, all the material types, these all are we are calling standard. These all we are calling standard. Standard. Nothing but a SAP is delivered. SAP delivered. If you want to create your own material types, we can copy ROH and we can name with the ZROH. Okay, ZROH. ZROH. So we can name it. Name it. Okay, like that. If it is FERT, we can name it ZFERT. Like that. This all we can call customization. Now, what I'm trying to say, I'm trying to create instead of ROH and FERT, customized I'm going to create. And after that, I will test it. Okay, test it. This all we are working in SPRO screen. And we are testing in MM01 screen. Okay, MM01 screen. Let me start myself. Okay. The remote desktop. Okay, let me introduce my server. Okay, this is my server. Okay, let me log in with the technical credentials. Okay, technical credentials, log on. Okay, here SPRO is the backend. We have to create by using path. Let me go to the path name. Under that, we have logistic general, material master. There we have the like the how the, so we are going to create material types. Under basic settings, we have the material types. Under that, we have the define attributes of materials. If we execute here, it will show all the existing materials It will show, okay, it will show all the materials. Okay, materials. Execute. Okay, executed. Executed. So here we have ROH. Okay, we have ROH. Let's see. Here, 904 are there. This is one material. This material I need, this is standard created by SAP. Okay, even I can use directly this one. Okay, if you want to use testing, I'll show it /o mm01. Check now. Check this material type. The same material type is existed here. ROH if I enter, ROH, ROH if I enter. See that same name has come. If I change my name, this is Gangadhar raw material. Raw material. Okay, then if I click save, immediately this data will be populated in front end. In back end, I checked in front end. Let me show the front end. If I check this one front end, MM01 with the same material type ROH, same material type ROH, 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 you see that the name has been updated. Okay, this is we can call standard, but I need a customized. What is meaning of customized? Means ROH I can copy, I can rename with the ZROH. Okay, Gangadhar raw material new. Okay, new. Then these are all the different concepts once again, different user document. Let me introduce first to these two. Enter. ZROH is somebody created that I can use it ZRH. Enter. Okay, enter. This is also existed ZRH1. I renamed. Then I click save. I click there, save. Okay, now I'm going to copy all the okay, information from the database. Once if I click here, okay, once if I click here, okay, save button. Okay, save. Now it is saved. ZRH1 is my material type. We can cross check this material under MM01. Let's see. Now this is backend. I configured. Now I'm going to test it here. MM01, enter. If I click here, industry sector, any industry sector, existing one, I'll use it. And raw material, I'll use it here. ZRH1, ZRH1. See that ZRH1 somewhere here. You can see the Ganga. If I click here, other data will be populated. There are so many requests. Okay, these all are, okay, we can call user departments. If I remove this one MRP, then if I click here once again, save button, see now. You can see the MRP fields once again. These all four tabs will just refresh MM01. Now there's no MRP in this screen. You can see now MRP is not there. Nothing but what is user department means use means these are all we have to configure in SAP system. Okay, once if I click user system and MRP with updated, then immediately this data will be populated. Okay, let me close, come back, MM01, enter same data, then MRP will be populated. Okay, this type of data we will call, okay, configuration. Okay, I have shown you here configuration. I tested here. Then from end user point of view, how to create one small material also I'm going to create here. So this data we have to fill it. For that we need plant location. Once you click here, you have to maintain which material that is iron material, what type of properties they have. Okay, which material group that is. Okay, this all we have to fill which division, which lab, which where you are using, where product locations. This all once if you maintain this data, okay, this data will be triggered all this one. Okay, we will maintain this information with valuation classes with the material ledger active. Okay, more active. Click on enter the maintain the price. These all steps you will learn in coming sessions. But today just only what exactly the procedure to create the material type. Even material also created. But to understand this one, we need so many settings. Those all settings in next coming sessions, I am going to discuss clearly. Okay, thank you. Welcome. Thank you.